Hey everybody, I'm Doug Heilman and we're making a Tingly barbecue oil for grilled pork chops and peaches. We're going to start by setting our pork out on the counter on a sheet pan here, and I hit it with a little salt on both sides. We want to let it come up to temperature for about 20 to 30 minutes before we grill them off. Now let's go ahead and make our barbecue oil. Okay, here's how to make the Tingly barbecue oil, and we're going to use it for grilling, but I'm also going to set some aside for sort of final serving when we plate everything up. I have about a half cup of olive oil, or you could use avocado oil here. Our red Sichuan peppercorns that have been toasted, and I've crushed them a little bit, but I like that texture. Smoked paprika, coriander, smoked chipotle that's been ground up, a little onion powder, garlic powder, a bit more salt, and a little bit of honey for sweetness and to encourage some browning on the grill. We'll do the pork chops first before we get on to the peaches and the other veg. I have about 2 or 3 peaches that I'm just cutting in half and removing the stones from the pit. And also just, I prepped a little bit of green veg too to go out on the grill, some zucchini here. I think that'll go nice with everything. I have the grill going outside. I'm gonna hit our peaches and this zucchini with just a little bit of salt and some olive oil so that everything is prepped when we start grilling. It goes pretty fast. Time to go out to the grill. Meat is rested nicely. All of the veggies and the peaches have come off the grill. I'm just giving our peaches a nice rough chop, and they're going to go over top of our pork. Love that little sweet. Now we have some decisions. Do you want to serve your pork chop whole to your guest, or do you want to slice it? I think I'll leave one whole just to show that, but I prefer sort of slicing it thin and putting it on top of like a bed of rice or couscous or quinoa. I have some couscous tonight. Thin slices, but I'm gonna keep it all together. And don't forget these meat juices, those are going on the plate too. Also, I discarded the oil that we used for grilling, but this is that reserved few tablespoons. We're about to drizzle that over it as well. Spicy barbecuing oil. Tingly barbecue oil for your next grilled pork chops with peaches or whatever you want to put it on. I hope you like it and I hope you try it.
That's so good.